Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Bigtime or Bigtime. The daily bias is bearish on our Ichimoku analysis, but we have some potential bullish signals forming, including a local support at the downtrend and a potential daily double bottom. A double bottom pattern is a classic W-shaped bullish reversal signal that often indicates a potential trend reversal. Right now, the price is in a short-term range between 0.04850 and 0.05200. Our scenarios are simple. If bulls hold above 0.04850, a bounce is more likely, and a push towards 0.054200 is possible if 0.05200 breaks. However, if we lose 0.04850, we could see a fast move into the 0.04500 to 0.04300 demand zone. My short-term bias is mildly bullish while we remain above 0.04850. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join our trading squad. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.